I'm Eric Roth, Chief Operating Officer of Mariana Resources, and today I'd like to take you through the updated mineral resource model for the Hot Maden gold-copper discovery in northeastern Turkey. The Hot Maden project is located approximately 1,050 kilometers east of Istanbul and 20 kilometers from the Georgian border. Geologically speaking, this area corresponds to the Eastern Pontides metallogenic belt, which hosts a number of important gold and copper deposits. The Hot Maden project consists of 4 licenses covering a total of 73 square kilometers. Hot Maden is a former mining district in which high-grade copper veins were mined by Russian interests prior to 1923. Altitudes in the project area range from 850 meters in the area of the current resource to around 1,700 meters on hilltops at the northern and southern limits of the property. The Hot Maden project is a 30/70 joint venture between Mariana Resources and Turkish partner Lydia Maden Çelik. So now we'll take a look at the overall form and nature of the gold-copper mineralization at Hot Maden. Gold-copper mineralization at Hot Maden is multi-phase in nature and occurs dominantly within subvertical quartz sulfide-bearing breccia bodies and locally massive sulfides. Here in gold, we're looking at the overall distribution of the gold-copper mineralization. This is a view looking to the west, where we clearly see the subvertical nature of the mineralization, plus the broadly north-south trending nature of the deposit itself. 3 main grade domains based on gold-copper grade were defined in the July 2016 resource model. The most important of these, the ultra-high grade zone, runs in excess of 15 grams per tonne gold equivalent and is a significant contributor to the total 3.4 million ounce gold equivalent indicated category resource. Flanking this are the high grade zone with gold grades up to 15 grams per tonne and shown in yellow, and the low grade zones with grades mostly up to 3 grams per tonne and shown in green. As we spin the resource model in 3D, the relationships between these zones are clearly evident. We'll now take a look at some of the exceptional drill results that have contributed to the high-grade resource at Hot Maden and which have made Hot Maden one of the standout discoveries of recent years. In February 2015, the company reported the results from the first 2 discovery holes, holes 4 and 5, both of which reported long intercepts of high-grade gold and copper mineralization. As the drilling continued during 2015 and 2016, we continued to confirm the continuity of this high-grade mineralization both in the vertical and also along strike. By the time hole 62 had been completed, which reported a massive 95.5 meters at 32.1 grams per tonne gold plus 3.3% copper, approximately 17,000 meters of drilling had been completed at the project. The July 2016 resource update also includes a maiden contribution from a new discovery in the south, where the discovery hole was HDT 25 with 25.2 meters at 7.3 grams per tonne gold plus 0.47% copper. Exploration going forward will continue to search for extensions to the known gold-copper mineralization, especially to the south where the greatest extent of historical Russian mining took place. Another characteristic of the Hot Maden deposit is the presence of zinc mineralization on the flanks of the gold-copper system. Here we see those areas of higher grade zinc mineralization that were modelled and included in the July 2016 mineral resource estimate. Hot Maden today is a development asset with significant exploration upside. Our development-related studies will commence with the completion of a preliminary economic assessment, or PEA, which will evaluate options for a small footprint, minimum impact operation at Hot Maden. Our current emphasis will be on the use of underground mining techniques and environmentally friendly flotation techniques for mineral processing.